Hey everyone, my name is Shelbie Casey. I will be coming up on my third year of teaching, and this year I'll be teaching sixth grade math and science at Social Circle Middle School, and this is in Social Circle City School. So we're in Walton County, but we are not part of Walton County school systems. This is a picture of me, and this is our mascot. We're the Social Circle Redskins. Interesting or personal professional insight about me. So, professional, I currently work at the middle school that I attended when I was a child. I also work with teachers who taught me in middle school. So, it's been a unique experience working with these teachers. Personal insight, I have a dog that is treated like my child. I do not have any children, but she is like my child. Her name is Curry, and she is very spoiled. Curry was in training to be a seeing eye dog through the Guide Dog Foundation at UGA, but she was released for skin allergies, so she now lives with me as a spoiled pet. And this is a picture of Curry in front of the Christmas tree 2 Christmases ago. Memorable issue. So a memorable issue I have observed when it comes to gifted and advanced learners is their reputation with their peers. So it seems that they're singled out by their peers for being gifted because these peers don't interact with these gifted students in content classes. These gifted students travel with one another throughout the day, and so they're not in the general ed population. So these general ed students have developed this negative connotation with the gifted students because they feel they do not measure up. But I think if we educate them on what sets them apart from one another, it may help the gifted students and how they're viewed by their peers. My most favorite aspect about working with the gifted students is developing activities that engage gifted learners while also challenging them to reach their potential. My mind has always worked a lot faster than others, so I think being able to work with the gifted students, I have a lot to offer, and they'll have a lot to offer me. My least favorite would be dealing with parents who think because their child is gifted, they do no wrong. I read that often gifted children are underdeveloped in maturity, and I can say from experience that I can see that with the gifted 7th graders that I engaged with last school year. They seemed, they're brilliant children, but they did seem to be lacking in maturity, and would act goofy and silly and do things that would require parent contact, and parents didn't see their child ever doing that. So I look forward to